Alright, let's get started. Just as a reminder of where we are, play for a minute. I fiddled a little bit with the controls, so they're a little bit easier to manage. But it also I spent some time playing, and now I know what I need to work on next. Oops. Alright. First thing, every once in a while, when I hit up, it registers it twice for some reason. So I need to add a multi-frame delay. Like sometimes when I'm moving over, I'll accidentally hit up and left. So I want to test to see. Let's go to board. And we'll see hard drop. How should I do this? Hard drop. Check to make sure we haven't moved this frame. If inputs equals block input, oh, it should be board input. Or input by as a true break. Let's try that. Oh, I have errors. JZ. Oh, input. Inputs count. Alright. Let's. Whoops. My mouse is on the wrong screen. Alright. I'm still getting that. So what I think I need to do only do the hard drop if it's been hold on a second. I'll bet you if I change that, that might help. No. Oh no, that's not what I need. Let me go back here. I think I want a certain amount of time. Let's see. I want the button held for a certain amount of time before it registers. How do I want to do this? The problem I'm having is the hold time when you do a hard drop. Because sometimes I'm getting it when I'm like that. That should not have done a hard drop. I need to test something. Alright, so if we have a hard drop. Inputs. So I have that. Oh, that's not right. Oh, what? Helps if you use the right variable. Alright, now let's try this. Excellent. Now I won't accidentally be hitting my hard drop. Except when I do it like that. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what do you want to do next. I have my to-do list made up. Lock time is what I wanted to do next. So essentially, that means is once you get to the bottom, I want to be able to rotate for a certain amount of time or move before it locks. But you only get so much time to do that. So I want two more variables. R32 and to lock soft. So the soft version will be reset every time you move. And the hard version will not. And when either one of those expire, the piece will lock. So let me find where my reset is. So what we need to do is gravity. All right. piece drop. Else if. So I'm going to need to also add this to the rules. To lock time. Here. Board is this then equal to 0? It equals 0. Okay. Else, we also need the delta time. I want to make different state. Process lock. Let's make a new state. Waiting. State locking. Lock has hit a piece. Actually, no. Because you can. That's not going to work. So we need to do this in here. C equals to T. Is less than 0 or is less than 0. Let me do this. And then we need to set these to 0 if we're able to move down. Hey CPP Coder, I'm doing well, how are you? Got an extra hour of sleep last night, had the time change, so feeling a bit refreshed this morning even though it's 7 o'clock. Alright, so now we need to reset this whenever we move or rotate. Probably do it here. And I'm going to do it if we actually move. If board.time to lock, pass the rules in. What kind of work do you got to do? No, I didn't do any. I actually should just make this a board process rotation. All right, that should work. What are you learning? Soft. 0. And I also need to do it here. And I don't know why I even have a return value here, but we'll keep it for now. Actually, this should be, hold on. Result equals false. Result. Not result. And code dot walk time stop 0, then there we go. Nothing wrong with that. I used Unity for a while. I used it for in a game for a while, and then I use it for Ludum Dare, or Ludum Dare, or however you want to pronounce it. But I'm actually probably going to use my library from now on. Although I may still use Unity because of the WebGL export. I don't have anything like that yet. Although I'd like to. Alright, let's see if we have... So it's not going to lock until I... It's not locking at all. Alright, let's find out what happened. Probably... hard. Let's start out with 1 second. .25. All right, it's not doing anything. No, I don't. Alright, let's just debug this. Alright. That's weird. Why isn't it doing anything? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. All right, let's step through this. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's going to end up taking a while. What it's doing is it's only checking the gravity when it's time to drop, which doesn't happen very often. So it would take a very long time for it to get down to 0. So what I need to do is I need to split this into 2 functions. Process gravity block, drop, which is this one. And then process lock, lock. So CPP Coder, what are you going to make with Unity? This one no longer needs to time. Alright, let's try this. Yep. Whoa, what just happened there? What'd I break? Let's see if that. Oh, okay. I think I see what's going on. I need to reset these. I think that's working as expected. Seems to be a delay after I push the hard drop button, which might be a good thing. Wait a second. Yep, yeah, I gotta fix that. When you hard drop, it should not do that. I think I'm going to have to indicate a hard drop. It should be over. And I need to go board dot hard drop. So now compile. So now when you hard drop, you don't get a chance to move it. This feels so much better. Not getting accidental hits like I was before. Oops, that was my own dumb fault. I swear I'm going to stop playing here in a minute. Yeah, this is so much nicer. All right. Not big or complex. Yeah, definitely if you're just starting out, don't do something big and complex that'll just discourage you. I would recommend making a Tetris clone. It's not too difficult, but it is challenging, depending on how much effort you want to put into it. Alright, so I've got my lock time. Get my to-do there. So lock time, we're done. Let's start doing... Let's keep track. How do I want to do that? Let's keep track of some stats. Should I make that a separate structure? Int lines cleared. Let's see, lines cleared. 32 time. Laid. And block count. Let's keep track of hard drops. What else should we count for? Let's just start with those. And we'll just make this a part of that. Stats. Hasbrookit. I'm making a, yeah, I'll show you real quick. No. Tetris. I started working on this the other day. So far, this is mainly a test of my new game library that I've been working on for a while now. This whole Tetris game has been completed in roughly 8 hours of work. That's not including a little bit of design time I did as far as figuring out how I wanted it to look, which didn't take that long, maybe an hour or so. And I plan, once I get the 2D version working well, I'm going to make it 3D and then add virtual reality support. I have an HTC Vive, so we'll do room scale Tetris. Not exactly sure how that's going to look yet, but I think it's going to be a fun challenge, and I think it'll be a fun game too. Alright, I'm still getting some errant hard drops. But yeah. CPP Coder. Yeah, I mean, I've been watching Casey since he started Handmade Hero about 2 years ago. It's a good stream. He inspired me to get away from object-oriented programming, and I'm glad he did. What will happen if you rotate a shape near the wall? It's called a wall kick. This piece isn't good to do it, but this one is. Like, if you rotate, it kicks the piece away from the wall. Certain pieces kick differently. Like it'll kick over, kick over. I know some Tetris games in the past haven't supported that. I think all the more recent ones do. I'm eventually going to make it. I would like to make it so that the game rules are configurable, so that all those things, the wall kicks, the various different variants in the rules and the mechanics can be configured. And if you're interested in seeing the previous streams that I've done, get the YouTube channel. I export the streams to YouTube. can watch the archives of this game development on Twitch for the time being, but I also have exported them to the YouTube channel. So you can check that out if you'd like. All right. What was I working on? Oh, stats, that's right. All right, so we will set this to 0. And go to board. Board reset. And we should do reset here. So I'm already doing all this stuff. Board next, yeah. Hold time. Lines clearing. Oh, yeah, I'm not using that one. I don't think. Oh, yeah, I guess I am. So we need to put that in here. So we got that. Board.next. Hold time. Okay. All right, that'll work. How are you so changed the design of this ID? What do you, I'm not sure what you mean. See you later, CPP Coder. I definitely won't be streaming as long today as I did the other day. I just get up a little early in the mornings and get some work done before my wife and kids get out of bed. All right. All right, so now we need to do stats. Zero. All right, now we've got some stats. And let's do int block. Oh, what's the word I'm looking for? Shoot. Can't think of the word. It's too early. Dropped. That'll work. Okay. And then let's go through here. Point friend. That might be interesting to keep track of. Rotations. need to result equals type valid. Result equals block type invalid. Result equals next. Result is not equals block type invalid. Alright, so what we've got to do is pull the stats. Result block count result is 1. If I equals result I equals 0, else alright. So now we can keep track of how long it's been since we've got a certain block. And I can use this in the future for, yeah, I should put that on the to-do list. Block picker minimization. I'll need some Tetris games check to see the most recent blocks they've given you, and don't give you the same block too much. So if the randomizer picks a block that you've already had, it will go back and have a chance of picking a new block. And I think that varies depending on which Tetris game you're playing. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Like I said, I want to make that configurable. That'll be part of the board rules. Process gravity drop. Actually, no. How do I want to do the drop? Do I want it to be when it picks the next block? Yeah, because this is going to... No, it'll be fine. Yeah, no, that'll work. Let's see. Lines cleared and line this up. That's line good. 1. That should be lined up. Oops. And then That's stop time. Play delta time. Alright, that should give me my stats. And let's add a console function. Function pointer register. I forget how this works. Function name. Console. Stats. Display stats. Peak. Alright, name. Okay. Actually, I don't want to use this. I will put this up here. Private functions. How am I going to get that without making it global? I think I'm going to have to add, yeah, game console. No, that's going to be under game GUI. Pum Pum City. No, it's Blues. Initial rotation system. Yeah, I'd like to do that eventually. I don't know how much time I want to really dedicate to this. This is more of a just a test of my game library, because I could spend a lot of time on this and a lot of effort, but I'm not going to be able to do anything with it. The Tetris company is pretty strong on clones. I mean, as long as it remains relatively small and simple, I don't think I'll have much to worry about. But I can't sell it or anything like that, so I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on it. I need to add command. I need to add user data. Oops. And we'll default it to null. Console command. Alright, now I can do this. Game equals game. User data. Log game stats. Now, what are my stats? Alright. cleared. B. Let's just make that seconds. To make a function yeah, I don't need this very often. Type this way, easier way to do it. Make that an int. Whoops. Reload. Console. Which will be stats. Display stats for the current game. Oh, I do use that. Okay. Wasn't sure. Register. I guess I can just put that up here. And I'm gonna have to restart. Let's see. Game stats, lines cleared, time played 3 seconds, hard drops. Yes. Yeah, alright. Let's play for a little bit. Why is that not working? There we go. Alright, got 27 lines cleared. 78 seconds. 70 hard drops. Ugh. Oh, I should add total block count. Suppose I could do that manually. So my distribution of blocks is strange. 19 drop without a Z. Yeah, my random number generator might not be that great. I'll play for a little bit longer and see what it does. I need to add the number of 1 line clears, 2 line clears, 3 line clears, and 4 line clears to the stats. So I can keep track of all that. let's check. Oh. Hey Rob, what did you try to post? Block count. All right, let's see. We're still low on a few, but it seems to have evened out a bit. It's not too bad. Can I rate your code? I don't know Python, so I wouldn't be very good at rating your code. Let's see. All right, so I've got stats. Let's keep track of lines now. So we need lines. Wait, I already keep track of. Yeah, so we'll just need to string, make it 8. Like I have a straight piece drought right now. All right, seems to be working. Let's see. Score. All right, so I've got lines. Let's see. I need to figure out how I want to do score and levels. Excuse me. Let me look up something right here. Let's do this. We're going to make the level depend on, all right, level equals convert to 4. Cleared 10, and I'm not sure how I want to do the times. Drop time. Let's just times 5f point 5f point 5f. Oh wait, 0.4 0.5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll add 1. Well, now we'll make this 0 and base. All right. Hey, Grubby Juice, how's it going? 32. Soft. I'll just make drop time soft. Percentage of drop time. Clear time. What am I using clear time for? Oh yeah. That can be consistent. Mock times, that's what I need. Equals 1. 7f, 6f, 5f. Let's static assert. What is that? So yeah, 50. 2. That's right, right? Yeah. Okay. Rules draw dot walk time hard. Error. Alright, so I'm on level 14, so this will be the fastest. Whoa, that's way too fast. Let's see how this progresses. So as soon as I hit level. Okay. All right, now I need. Oops. Alright, so it seems reasonable so far. coming down a bit faster now. It's still definitely reasonable. Oops. Alright, I'm not getting any sort of hold time. Yeah. Might need to change that. Yep. Alright. Zarfus. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to look at existing Tetris games and just sort of copy what they've done. What I'd like to do is to be able to sort of mimic a variety of different games, like the original Game Boy Tetris, and like the Texas or Tetris Grandmaster games, things like that. So I've kind of made it so that the rules are set apart from the logic of the board, so that they can be changed. But for now, I'm just getting a basic game working. So I've got that. Let's see. Scoring. All right, so we need to add to the board stats. Here's 4. Set. All right. Board process. I forget the name of the board. Check for lines, I think. Clearing. Oh, there it is. Clear lines. All right. Clear 0. That's clears. Clear minus 1. 1. If cleared. Clear 0. Alright. And let's add this back. Here. I'll have to close this. Where's the console? There it is. What engine? You mean Tetris wise? Tetris engine? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Are you talking about graphics engine? Game engine? Something's not right because it said oh wait, no, that's right. So 2. So it'd be 6. Yep. Okay, that's right. All right, let's save up for some Tetrises. There's 1. 2. And there's 3. So we've got 3. Yep, that's right. All right. How to script 101. Okay. I'm not sure what you're referring to there. Game engine graphics. This is something I wrote from scratch using the OpenGL SDK and DirectX 11. It can use either one. Right now, the title bar shows OpenGL because that's what it's using, but I can switch it to use DirectX if I'd like. I tend to use OpenGL. It's easier to use. I don't know about Tetris God, but I've been playing Tetris for, 25 years? When did the original Game Boy come out? I think I got it like a year after it came out. Let's see. All right. Now let's find scoring. All right, let's see. Let's calculate score. Intel level. Score. Can he script on Roblox? What is Roblox? Never heard of it. All right. Score equals plus equals board stats lines clear 0. Yeah, that's right. Clears 0 times 100. Okay, this isn't going to work. I need to be able to tell back-to-back Tetrises. We'll just do a basic for now. I'll improve it later. So 200. I'll just go with that. Score. I don't think I have a function that does that, although I should. Come on. do have it. Let's format buffer. String 16. Number 64 score. Oh, that's not good. What's going on here? Why is this not working? Oh. Okay. Well, let's make this bigger then. There we go. Now what do we want to do? All right. Roblox is a game, huh? I'll have to take a look at it. I've never heard of it before, though. Okay. So we got levels working, lines working, score working. Oh, we have a completed game. Not polished, but I mean, it's a fully functional game now. Let me go to my... I still need to do sound effects and music. Got scoring done. Level progression. Game over, main menu. Oh, but I think I'm gonna wrap it up here soon. Just wanted to do a short stream today. So we'll just play a little bit. See if we find any bugs. And I need to stop pushing the button. There we go. All right, come on, give me. There we go. Jeez, 3 in a row. Really need to work on that block randomizer. Oops, I did not mean to do that. That may have just cost me. There we go. No bugs yet. This is so much nicer than playing on the Tetris website, because I can use my controller. Oh, yeah, I need to adjust the lock times. I think they're not giving me enough time to lock. Let's go adjust that. Let's change this. Whoops. Helps if your fingers are on the right keys. Whoa, go away. 0.95, 0.95. All right, let's try that. Okay, so that gives me a little bit of time. All right, I think that's a lot better. Oh, geez. Oh boy, now it's very fast. Oh, so once you get to level 10. Yeah. That's super fast. Alright. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it a stream for today. I've been at it for an hour and 40 minutes. I think we're at a good spot. The game is fully functional. We've got scoring, we've got lines. We've got score, leveling. We got what's left on our do. Got sound effects and music, which I'm going to create off camera, off stream. Need to implement the game over in the main menu. It may do different themes. Let's go ahead and themes. So maybe like an old Game Boy theme, different various Tetris games. We'll see. We'll see how much time I feel like devoting to this. But I think next I'm going to work on sound effects and adding music support so that, get the full experience. But for now, I'm taking off. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Enjoy your Sunday. I hope everyone has a good weekend. And I will probably, if I don't stream Monday afternoon, probably early Tuesday morning. I'm in the Eastern time zone, so it's almost 9 o'clock in the morning for me now. I'll probably stream Tuesday morning around 6:30. All right. Have a good one, everybody. I'll see you next time.